What's up, everyone? This is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, and I'm here to share the Bible that is business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So I thought I would just do this Fabletics unboxing haul and try on because I had a credit of about, at the time, almost $500. I'm one of those people that even with shopping online, I just don't have a whole lot of time to devote to look for things and stuff like that. And then I also got this Fabletics membership some time ago, and I think I paused it for a while, and then I let it, continue with the billing, and I got an over $400, almost $500 credit that I needed to spend. But even with this haul, this isn't what I have in credits at the moment, because at the time when I was going to use it, it was in December. And they had a whole lot of crap on sale. And in order to use the credits, you either had to just use your credits to buy stuff, or you could get things on sale and just pay for it and get the discounts. I decided to just buy stuff and use the discounts and keep my credit. So as I'm filming this video right now, I want to say my credit at this moment is probably almost $1,000. So I'll probably be doing another unboxing and try on haul at another time because I still have a good bit of credits to use and I have not touched yet. So I'm going to do this unboxing. I don't remember what I bought because it's been several months. I got this stuff in December, had it sitting in the box all that time, and yeah. So now I'm gonna go through these things with you guys to see what I got and then try some things on. So let's get into it. All right, so I'll start with the shoes. I decided to get a pair of shoes, and these are sneakers, Marin Performance sneaker, black and white. So let's see what these look like because I do not even remember. I like the box. It says, kick butt, look cute, repeat. So we'll try to do that. Okay, so yeah, so they have black and white soles, and the shoes are black. They have laces, but you can slip these on, which is what I usually do because I wear sneakers a lot. And even though they have laces, I'm usually just sliding my feet into them and I'm not tying anything up. So they look comfortable. When I put my hands inside, they feel like they're comfortable, and the soles are pretty flexible. So these would be good for working and walking. I do not run. I don't even run late, so I'm not running anywhere, so I don't really care if they're running shoes or not. But these look comfortable, and I cannot wait to actually wear them. So I will try these on in a little bit and see how they feel. The next thing, let's see. This is the Phoenix Run Hoodie. It's antimicrobial fabric, thumb holes for extra coverage, and pocket with zipper on sleeve cuff, perfect for storing wireless headphones, which that's probably going to be dangerous for me because I have washed a pair of wireless headphones before, so I need to know where they are at all times and not forget about them. But the fabric feels really good. It's stretchy, and again, it's a hoodie, so it's got a hood. And it's funny, this is the front, but on the back of it, it's got the zipper pocket behind it. So again, I guess that's where you can put your wireless headphones or whatever you want to put in there that can fit. So that's that. I'm just opening up these things at random because some things went together and the pieces are separate, so I don't really know what's what that goes together until I get them to try them on. So this is a triangle bra top. This is the Noelle Sculpknit Bralette. It's got convertible back straps, mesh paneling for breathability, and warp knit technology. So there's the front. If you want to be daring, you can try to wear this reversible. Like, that is not going to cover much of anything for my front, so that will not be happening on me. But cute little workout bralette to wear, or just, you know, just being casual and doing your thing. All right, so let's see. The next thing is the sink high waisted perforated pants. So they've got some detailing on the side. These don't go all the way to the ankles. These are 7/8. So they're high waisted, so I like that because it's sort of, you know, like a waist trainer to hold everything in. And I really like the color. All right, so let's see what we have here. This is the Kinsley front knot seamless bra. So yeah, so this is actually pretty heavy. It'll be great to hold up the girls while I'm working out, doing burpees. I'm just kidding, I don't like doing burpees when I work out. But yeah, it's pretty heavy material, and it's got the liner inside as well. And it's a racer back. It was originally $44.95. None of the tags with the current prices is what I actually paid for these things, because again, like I said, they had a huge sale in December, and this is now April, and I'm just opening up these things. That's just how busy I have been. All right, so let's see what we have here. Rip it open, rip it open. What we have here is the ultra high waisted PureLuxe pant. Moisture wicking, always stretch, chafe free. That's always good. Ultra high waist, can be folded over, which is good because I don't mind a high waist when it comes to workout clothing or leggings and things like that, but I don't want it too high up, so to be able to fold it over is pretty good. So these have a bell bottom, and I used to love to wear bell bottoms back in the day. And when I say back in the day, I'm not talking about the 70s, because I was not old enough to wear that type of clothing back then. But I would say whenever the bell bottom pants and jeans came back, a lot of my pants had the, you know, the bell bottom. So that's what these are. So it's good because it's got the fitting up here and then it flows down. All right, next on the list, what we have here is the Mila Cold Weather Jogger. Adjustable draw cord waistband, side pockets, brushed interior for extra warmth. Now, I'm cold natured. This is going to do me really well in the fall, in the winter months. Now, probably won't be wearing this anytime soon, but I don't really care for joggers too much, and I haven't had that many of them to compare them to, but I got some joggers from Gap around the holidays, and the ankles were just so tight. I almost felt like they were like cutting off my circulation. So I'm like, I hope all joggers aren't like that, but I like these. They have the pockets on the side, and with these joggers, these don't seem, you know, as tight as the ones that I got from the Gap. So I believe that these will be cool. All right, so next we've got the Jess turtleneck top. Fold over turtleneck, soft knit fabric, shirred sleeve opening. So this turtleneck, even though it's a turtleneck and it's like, oh, that's, you know, it's gonna be too hot to wear now, this is actually pretty thin. Like, you can see my finger through there, and it's got the ruched, or they call them shirred sleeving, and the turtleneck is also thin as well. So it's not a super thick turtleneck at all. And I think it'll fit, you know, really good too. All right, so next, let's see, we've got the River Seamless top. Moisture wicking, always stretch, high neck, bottom ribbed band. So this is a short crop top, like sweater. The color isn't, you know, my favorite, but it'll do. And it seems like it's going to be, you know, really nice and form-fitting also. All right, so what do we have next? This is the Kinsley cropped seamless fitted silhouette top. That's cute. I don't remember picking this out. Trust me, guys, I don't even remember a lot of the stuff that I ordered. But yeah, this looks pretty cute. And this is one of my favorite colors too. As you can tell from the curtains in my office, I like this type of green. I like money green too, but not on clothes, just with my money, with my cash. But I really like this color green. This color green is actually one of my power colors. And I learned that from several years ago when I had a consultation with someone who was a style consultant. And she gave me, you know, like what my power colors are. And they actually, I resonated with them. So that was, you know, pretty cool. But yeah, I like this top. So I can't wait to rock that out. All right, we're about midway through these packages, guys. What we have here is the Phoenix Run Hoodie, antimicrobial fabric, and pocket with zipper on sleeve, cuff, perfect for storing wireless headphones, thumb holes for extra coverage. So this is like an apricot color, and it's got it's like a lavender stitching around several areas of the hoodie. And again, they have the pocket in the back. I don't know, like, who thought that was a good idea. I guess it's okay. I just never would have thought to have done that. But yeah, the pocket is behind you and not in the front. So it's a little different, we'll say that. But I like the hoodie because it's thin, it's breathable, and I love hooded shirts and hooded sweatshirts and stuff. So yeah, I definitely really like this, and the material feels really soft and comfortable also. All right, so I'm going to open this one. It's in two separate packages, but the print is the same, so I'm quite sure this goes together. So I'll just open up both at the same time. So what we have here is the Jessie seamless crop top, seamless fabric, fitted silhouette, cropped fit. So short sleeves, and it's one of my colors, purple, lavender purple. So it's a cropped top, and we've got the high-waisted seamless turbo legging, decorative jacquard patterns, chafe-resistant, moisture wicking. So there's that, and the top to go with it. All right, so the next thing we have are the Justin sweatpants, relaxed fit, adjustable drawcord, and elastic bottom cuffs, warm, cozy fleece. Again, not going to be wearing it anytime soon, but very soft and comfortable. I love the fleece lining. I like to be warm when it calls for it, but it's got the cuffed bottoms. These don't seem like they're going to be as tight as the ones that I got from the Gap, but we shall see once I wear them. But they've got the pockets and the drawstring, so comfy, comfy. All right, another two packages that I will be opening together because they're the same color, so I'm assuming it goes together. And so there's the color, Periwinkle. Again, one of my colors I like. And this is the Kessler medium impact sports bra, strappy back, and removable cups. So if you don't want to have the cups in there, you can take them out. So it's cute. It's got, you know, the different straps in the back. And then we've got the high-waisted Motion 365 pocket leggings. Side pockets, invisible zip pocket at the back waistband, and all-way stretch. So I like these. They go all the way down to the ankle. And we've got the pockets. Nice. Very rare to have pockets like these, at least, for leggings. If you have pockets, they're usually like in there. But again, we do have a pocket here, and it's a zip pocket, and it's in the back. Again, they like to have the pockets in the back for some reason. I don't know what that's about, but there is that. All right, and finally, just just got a few undies. So I've got this no-show brief in black. Will not be trying that on for you guys. But there's, you know, that. So no-show brief in black. And I also got one in whatever color this is. Looks like a mocha or something like that. I don't know what their specific color that they call it is, because I don't see that on here. I'm sure it was on there when I ordered it. Oh, the color is sable. So again, another pair of no-show briefs. And I don't know, I've tried on a couple of no-show panties. Guess it just depends on who makes them or whatever, but I had on a pair where it's like, maybe it was what I wore over them, because it was like rolling those things up, so I had to like smooth it back out. So we'll see how these do. I will try them on. I'm just not gonna like show you guys what they look like. If that makes sense. And then finally, I've got this bra, Sculpknit bra, Noelle. Convertible back straps, mesh paneling for breathability, and warp knit technology. So another bra similar to the one that I had earlier, but this one is just in black. So I can't wait to try it on, because one, I want to make sure it fits. I'm a small D cup, so these bras, I mean, they don't look like they have that much coverage. Just because a bra doesn't have a whole lot of coverage doesn't mean it's not the right size. But again, we shall see. So these are all of the things from my haul, and I'm going to try these things on, and you guys let me know what you think. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I am Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, here to share the Bible that is business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, and until the next time, I hope you all have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.